Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. Today I'll show you how to create a custom decal material in Unreal Engine 5. First, you will need a PNG image. It can be literally any PNG you want. I'm just using a random one for this tutorial. Once you have imported this image, create a new material and open it. I'm just going to name it decal. Now select the main material node from material domain, change it to different decals. Then from blend mode, select the translucent. Next, drag and drop your PNG texture into the material graph. Connect the RGB output to base color and connect the alpha output to opacity. And that's it. You have successfully created your own custom decal material. Now you can simply drag and drop it anywhere in your scene and use it on any surface you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Unreal Engine tips and tricks. So, see you in the next one. Thank you.